Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with Kleb. How are you today, sir?
Today, we're at my arch nemesis establishment, Del Taco. It's all about Taco Bell.
Kleb, do you know where we're going to today?
I don't know. Hopefully Taco Bell.
We are going to get tacos, but we are not going to Taco Bell. We're going to a place called Naugles. Naugles was around back in the 70s, grew real popular. It's actually got a little Del Taco feel. In fact, there's a lot of history between Del Taco and Naugles. We'll get into that in a little bit. In the meantime, let's go see Bob. We haven't seen Bob in a little bit, and I got some gifts for him.
Bob is a rubber dragon. Let's go see him.
You must have learned that in the Marines. Yeah, dude, you're all scratched up. I feel like my bike's gonna blow up today. It's a little chilly today. Just a tad. Tad. What's a tad mean? Think about that. A tad. Just a tad. It's a tad. It's a tad bit. It's a tad chilly. It's a bit chilly. It's a tad bit chilly. Think about that. Dude, it is cold. I'm cold. I need a soda pop. Wheelie time. Look at that guy, he's hiding behind his side. He's not a twirler. Twirl it! Twirl it! Oh, I can't believe that cactus is still there. I'm telling you, someone's gonna run into that thing while they're riding their motorcycle and inflict all sorts of pain on themselves. That'd be one of them wish for death injuries. How you doing, sir? I see. Thank you, sir. How funny would it be to sit on the back of that thing while it was in tow? I bet people would freak out. The police would shut that down quick. You could, though. You could climb out of that little window and get onto the little moped for a little bit. This RV is going to the campsite that doesn't allow drinking. Uh-oh. Tell me to slow down. You slow down. Alright, let's see what Bob's got.
What's up, Bob? You're listening.
You just hit him in the dick. Good to see you, sir. It's nothing.
You're never giving back, man.
He's never given back.
Unbelievable. I didn't give you a cheek slap last time and a fisty.
Huh?
Nothing.
Where you at, Bob? Alright, well, we got some stuff for you. Sticker there. Sticker there. Where should we put this guy?
Well, you weren't packing before, but now you're packing, Bob.
Keychain down his pants.
Thanks, Jim.
Alright. What's up, dude? I remember you.
How you been?
Good. Where do I remember you from?
The Christmas video.
Christmas video. That's right, we decorated Klaus. Sadly, that was one of the last videos I ever made with Klaus.
Rest in peace, Klaus.
Alright, everybody, so on a previous video I ate the crayon, and I feel like I need to take it to the next level by eating this 100% organic dog biscuit with pure bone marrow. Just it's gonna be good. My dog loves these things. It's good. I highly recommend at least trying it two or three times in your life.
Chris, it's nice seeing you. What are you doing, man? You want to come with us, grab some lunch?
Absolutely.
It's my treat.
Hey, you Suburban Delinquent?
Yeah, man.
I've been wanting to meet you for a while, man. It's Kleb, right?
That's me. You like my garage door opener?
I like you jumping into the bushes.
Oh, dude, I did it today. Look what happened.
Oh, man. Good looking out, man. I put it on the collection. I've been trying to get something from Bob, but every time I come, they're gone. You guys have a good one. Ride safe, man.
Nice to meet you.
Hey,
Red Bull?
So,
Nice to meet you.
See ya, man. Please be careful out there.
Always meeting good people at Tribuca General Store. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Naugles Tacos and Burgers. Naugles was founded in 1970 in Riverside, California by entrepreneur Dick Naugles. Wanted to share his love for tacos and burgers. Dick saw some success growing his company to 3 separate locations and eventually selling those locations in 1979 to Harold Butler. Now, Harold Butler was quite the businessman. He grew those 3 locations into 225 and held on to them for about 9 years, selling them off in 1988 to the one and only Del Taco. The grand scheme of Del Taco was to merge these Naugles into the Del Taco family. Now, in 1995, Del Taco did just that. The last Naugles to close was in 1995, Carson City, Nevada. This is where it gets interesting. In 2006, well-known food blogger Christian Zieber writes about the old chain, sharing some of the history of Naugles. With all the comments and all the love that he got from his post, he realized the love for Naugles was deep. So in 2009, Christian got motivated. He decided to resurrect the chain. Christian spent all kinds of money for the rights to bring life back into Naugles. It was a long battle, but Christian prevailed. In 2015, he was awarded the right to reopen the franchise, by a technicality at that. Apparently, the original owners of Naugles never renewed the trademark. So, the courts decided that it was abandoned. Finders keepers, fellas, finders keepers. Since the judgment, Christian's done all he could to resurrect the chain. Now, to be honest, I've never had Naugles, but I remember Danny from Two Brothers Racing always saying great things about Naugles. I know he wanted to go. Unfortunately, he couldn't be there today. He had to run down to San Diego. So for those of you guys that do remember Naugles from back in the day, this one's for you. I do imagine this is going to take a lot like Del Taco. I'm not the biggest fan of Del Taco, but I'm a big fan of motivation, and Christian worked so hard to put this place together. We got to show that dude some support. I haven't eaten yet. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait.
Oh, you're fucking. Can you get my nuts for me? Thank you, Professor.
I feel like it's gonna rain. I hope it rains.
Why?
Make the video interesting. I'm not impressed with today's video. Usually I know it's gonna be a good video, but this time I don't think it is.
You sure you don't want to smell it?
I don't want to smell it. Do you put 87 octane in?
Nah.
All the f***ing cool cats do that. You're just wasting your money, son. Downhill wheelies are hard. Oh, off the limiter. So sorry, bike. So sorry. Got him. Get out of my way, Chris. Side over the Thames. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Over the Thames. Yeah! Chris, you think you can beat me to that white line over there?
I need a redemption from last time.
The loser buys lunch today. Stakes are high. I wins. Double or nothing?
Shit out of myself.
You know, whenever I go to these places, I order everything off the menu, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be an expensive day for you, Chris. Hope you have a good job. See, the best part about this is I'm on a GSX-R 750 and those guys are on 1000s. They got nothing for me. All kinds of shit on the road. Anyone looking for a red towel? Here we go. It's on the 5 at Euclid, exit 12. Here's another one too. We made it. Chris, are you ready?
Absolutely.
You ready to buy us everything on the menu?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Chris, I'm not going to make you buy us lunch. Don't worry.
Thank you.
All right, Chris, Naugles, you're up first. What'd you think, man?
That was pretty good. Some of the stuff isn't for me.
No?
I mean, their tacos are pretty good.
They were.
Yeah.
All right, well, would you come back?
Maybe if I'm in the area.
So out of all the food, the only thing you really liked were the tacos.
Pretty much, yeah.
All right, Klebby, what'd you think, man?
This place certainly wasn't for me, and it certainly won't be for you too. Hey, well, there's a Taco Bell right down the street. You're ever in the area, just hit it up.
And there it is. Truthfully, we ordered a bunch of stuff. I didn't really care for anything other than the taco. That cheese burrito was all right too. I'll take that. So I probably wouldn't be back. I wish the best for Naugles. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you go over to Kleb's channel, see what he's up to. He's always jumping in bushes. He's got that weird thing going on. Marines taught him well. Make sure you support the sponsors of the channel, Voss Helmets, Metric Method, and the law offices of Henry Haddad. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. I'll catch you later. Cue the Bikini Girl.